good, YouTube? It's your boy KD22GX, and I'm back here with another video. This build gets contact dunks, a 91 3 ball, a 91 ball handle, 90 speed with ball. It plays decent defense. You know, it's an all-around build. This build is not meant to guard ball. You see my badge count: 13, 30, 31, 16. I don't have all my playmaking. I don't even have it all the way upgraded. But you know, it's still a dog. I'm not even gonna cap. It's still a dog. Like the shooting, I get. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, I've never had a build that had 93 ball, bro. Like never. I never had a, and it's crazy. I mean, crazy difference from 80 to 90, bro. So I think next year I'm gonna start off with a build that has like a 90, and then see where it goes from there, bro. Really. So yeah, as you can see, I'm switching up the badges. I tried to play with no sniper, bro. Forget that, John, bro. Put sniper back on, bro, because let's just say, bro, like, I don't know what it is, but like certain places have different timing. Like the old gym is different. It has like a different timing than the rec, and then different timing in the park. I'm guessing that's because of, I don't even know, latency, or maybe where it's at, or you know, I don't know. But either way, I'm about to go into the rec and I'm about to show you guys what this build can do. It's only a 92. Let's get it.
I ain't doubling, bro. Give me that, boy. Yo, he's mad. I'm over here just laying around now. No, I'm about to get right there. I gotta get to this. Get this to this.
Oh baby girl, that dress so scandalous, I wanna know if you can handle it, I wanna feel your lips, yeah. Wanna get you in my whip, yeah.